Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. A pleasant day to everyone. My returning subscribers and my new subscribers, welcome again to Wendy's Styles. Please, I want you guys to please check out those beautiful short haircuts. Take a good look on this hair before and after. It's featuring some beauties that are having alopecia, and you can see what razor cheek have to the best of her styles, making them look so beautiful and elegant despite the alopecia. So if you're having alopecia, be bold enough to embrace your alopecia, because there are some good hairstylists out there. Like I know of this razor chick, I know of the hair voice of hair, many of them online which you can get through for them to give you this beautiful haircut on the screen. And also Dream Cuts Barber, he's based in US, and is another good guy that will help you to embrace and look good on your alopecia. So today I have beautiful styles featuring the teeny weeny afro, the body for the lovers of bad to no hair, for those that love the pixies, but sometimes pixies are good hairstyles for the beautiful matured women. It's a classy hairstyle that will always make you look sophisticated, and it's a hairstyle that will always take many years off your age. Don't forget that the shorter the size and longer the top, that is how your hair will appear so beautiful. And this is a versatile style for the lovers of pattern, the surgical lines. Some of the haircuts have those surgical lines or pattern, some by the side, some are zigzag, some are slanty cut, some are just any, depending on what you want and what also suit your face. But today's hairstyle is a style that really suit all face shape and suitable for all ages. This is the season of celebration. The year is about running out. I would like you guys to please check out the styles we have for you guys in Wendy's Styles. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about the skirt. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay locked to this channel, and see you guys in my next video.
Angel, angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know you belong to the stars. You're the reason why I work so hard. Angel, angel, queen of my heart. Deep down I know that I'ma never meet up, baby, but I'll keep on trying. But deep down I know I'ma never meet up, but I will keep on trying. If you need to go somewhere else, you can. If you need to love someone else, it's fine. Deep down I know I can never meet up. Deep down I know, and you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. And you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You can go and be happy. I'ma let you go be happy. You deserve more than I can ever give. You deserve. I know say you get toasters, many in a Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. Deep down I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You I've been told that love is about sacrifices. I didn't know that the time will come for mine. Oh, it hurts so bad. Now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go, now I gotta let you go. You deserve the kind of life that I can give. You deserve the kind of joy that I can bring. Oh, 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 oh. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy. Go be happy. Go be happy. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be alone, but that's just fine. You deserve. I know now you get a home, and I'm gonna be alone, but that's just fine.